AIFEN A9 Plus Soldering Station, professional precision for all your soldering needs. The AIFEN reliability for a wide range of soldering and rework tasks. Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit to 842 degrees Fahrenheit. This station allows precise temperature control. The A9 Plus is compatible with 210, 245, and 115 soldering iron tips, giving you flexibility for various applications, from fine electronics work to larger, via 50 to 60 Hz. This soldering station is designed for global use, making it a versatile tool for users in any region. Compatibility with a variety of soldering tips. Its wide temperature range and high power make it